Gentlemen, welcome back. Typical sight of a BMW owner. Hood's popped. Something's leaking. Gonna see if we can figure that out today. We're also gonna go take a look at a roll bar install on our buddy DJ's car. It's getting installed in his Mazda Miata. So check it out. All right, start it up. No check engine. Okay. It's smoking so fucking bad. Good old Great Bridge, the little town I live in. My buddy Mike lives just a few minutes away, 10 minutes from my house. So we're on the way to his house and see what these clowns are doing. All right, turning into Mike's neighborhood here. He actually lives across the street from my old elementary school. There they are. Uncle Bumblefucks. Oh, DJ.
This ain't Roadhouse, this is Rondell House.
All right, that's what's going in. Roll bar.
Yeah, man.
What's up, Kahlua?
All the bars for rolling.
What's up, Matt?
What's going on, Snoop? There's all kinds of crazy shit in my car.
Really?
A pair of crusty shorts from the previous owner.
Mmm.
$20 bill and a silver dollar.
Nice.
I was like, shit, okay.
You're making money on the car.
Right. The N54.
Yeah.
Little present.
A little cashola. Yeah, straight six. It's BMW, you know? Fucking pain in the ass.
Pretty car.
Miata Central. But looky. Roll bar test fit.
Black one over there. That's one.
All right, me and Matt, Neverlow Matt, we're gonna go take the Beamer out on a little fun run. Beamer. This thing runs smooth, dude.
Continue on Land of Promise Road for half a mile.
It's like 3 Miata horsepower right there. Holy fuck.
Definitely gets out of its way quick.
Yeah.
Quarter mile. Destination will be on the right.
Yeah, it's like Mike said it's like a sewing machine.
Destination's on the right.
That's good.
Oh, yeah.
There's that BMW sound. Damn, 6,000. Fuck.
I know this is...
Think you're supposed to go outside.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I know where we are. There's a one-sided road up here.
I just can't see the...
This motherfucker in the goddamn street. I know exactly where we are. This, if you take this all the way down, you'll run out to Ventress and Mount Pleasant. It'll open a 2 minutes here in a minute. You can literally send it all the way down.
Yeah, why do you think I came out here? All right, we just got back from a ride in the 128. There's Matt's Miata. Let's see what these guys are doing for lunch. I think Miata. There's one in the garage. MR2. Miata. Where are you guys at?
The glove does not
The
fit.
glove. Oh.
One must have quit. Yeah, we just got to drill some holes now and run some bolts. And that's good home.
Oh, nice. Did you get the seatbelt tower bolts?
Yeah, they're all
Look
good.
at that. What about the where is it?
What?
The pain in the ass bolt.
Oh, it's already in.
Yeah, that thing right there.
This one
Fuck
down- this one
that
down
bolt.
Here, you mean?
Fuck. Oh, it is that one.
I got it in. Yeah, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's still fuck that bolt. So some guy is. I just saved you tons of weight, bro. Hell yeah.
Race car, hard bar.
That was almost like raindrop drop top.
Smoking that weed in a hot box.
Quit.
Tappy tap tap. So is the other side drilled out?
Yeah.
All
The other
right.
side is drilled out.
So DJ buys a box of a case of Samoas
Them shits are that good.
for his mom. DJ, what the fuck do you have there?
Engine mounts.
Dildo mounts.
Jesus Christ. Right? What is this? Why?
Because my engine mounts are shot.
Those are what Manny needs.
That looks like you have like 500 horsepower. How much horsepower do you have?
92.
None. I have a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini?
Yeah.
All the horsepowers, man.
Look, Mike had to break out the big guns. Looking at DJ's engine mounts.
This shit shakes like
Yeah.
a bitch.
He doesn't need any because he doesn't know what the fuck he's talking about.
I do.
Yeah, they look fun.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You
Hey,
said
Matt.
your clutch was slipping. I did a burnout in your car literally in front
Matt,
of you.
what's up with the this guy right here?
It's fucking dark. It's going to ruin the seals in the brake system.
Nice. So he's putting a roll bar in.
Yeah, $400.
Looks like the bolts on the manifold.
That's okay. It's got one on there. That's okay.
Just one, you're good. Probably doesn't rattle.
But the dark color in the fluid, that's bad.
They're both dark.
That's
Clutch
Dave,
and
though.
brake.
Shiny
Nice.
parts before.
I put it on lug
Look at
mode.
that. Fuck that.
Alright, let's go to the one across.
This is broken. What asshole breaks this?
Mazda broke it.
All right, what else is wrong with DJ's car? Let's point. What's up with this? All right. Wiring is all just loose. And it's all split here. What is this? Oh my god, he's got like some silly light thing that's just kind of floating. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. This is just kind of, we're just
Yeah,
gonna
yeah, look. He's got exposed wires right in here.
look at that.
Exposed. And then look at this ground he did. Bobby did.
Oh my god. I mean, look at this. What is this? Seriously. And he's rolling around like this. It's just fumbling around. Not even zip tied. Not even zip tied. What is this? What is this wire? Just like,
It's the same bolt.
and it's
Jeep
what?
headlights
And it's going where?
to the Halo
to
Jeep
the-
headlights. It runs into the
one you on now?
turn signal harness.
So it's got to, okay. Look at the front of the engine. That looks like a clean install. This definitely isn't split here. And then coming across.
Hey Dave, how the
Like-
fuck did you get a high school diploma?
Earned it the hard way.
Yeah, I don't think
I
so.
got 3.8 GPA.
I think they
But-
gave it to you.
That's not a stock bolt, right? What?
They gave that shit to you. They're like,
I'm smarter at certain things than you are.
no, you're not.
But you're smarter than me at a lot of things.
So DJ's race car, he has a
DJ's race car is racist.
mode.
It's
non-race car mode.
racist car. Oh,
that's
I
wrong.
get it. Racist car, not race car. It all makes sense now.
Yeah, it's not a race car. It's
Join your little fucking.
Mike's compensating with the drill bit here.
Not at all.
We'll stay on the line anyway.
This is why you don't buy eBay steering wheel, guys. I mean, this is just, don't do it. You'll end up hurting yourself. I mean, look at that. That's the worst Momo. It just looks terrible. Focus, you fuck. Hold on, what else we got in Mike's junkyard over here? Got
Shit right there.
and we got some rain rails, little side pieces, trim piece, right? We'll get some shocks. If you guys need some shocks, come on down. Soft top, that might be for something. Hard dog, roll bar, harness bar. And then this thing. Roll bar complete. Just button it up. Put the seats back in. See, this is where DJ defers for me, man. I'd have been out here with a vacuum, vacuuming this all up.
That other day, I gotta fucking go though.
He's gotta go. Gotta go. Got the Delrin bushings though.
That's such a nice.
Oh. Shall we go controversial and talk about these right here?
What?
The side view mirrors. The carbon side view mirrors. This was a major point of contention in 2018. Putting the seats in.
Dave, what did I tell you about leaning on the lights?
I don't lean on them anymore.
Then why are they bent? They don't bend just magically. See, we popped the hood for me.
How did he jack? Is he leaning on the lights and it's...
Yeah, because he doesn't. See, so how it was like way down, right?
Yeah. Literally, just pulled it. Oh my god. It's like before and after. It's crazy different. So this is what it's turned to. DJ's yelling at his sister. And he's pointing at Matt. I'm trying not to get caught.
No, I gotta fucking deal with it. You're making this shit worse for me. Shut up. That's my fucking mom. Okay, right. It doesn't matter.
All right, hard top going back on. Look at that.
Fucking head hurts. My sister goes running on my fucking mom. Like.
So we decided to go to Mexican. Quick little pit stop here. Headed back to the garage. Gonna do a couple things around the garage and house. All right. Back at the garage. And wouldn't you know it, our old friend came back to visit us. Gold standby. Service engine Sue.